Hey people, I felt I have to make this video because Chetan Bhagat's latest book, One Arranged Murder. I read it as of day before yesterday, in fact. Yeah, so I thought I'll have the book in front of me and then I'll review it. But it's important to just generally post a review as soon as one reads it. So, One Perfect Murder is it's a 301 page book. So um, to be really honest, normally I'm a big Chetan Bhagat fan, and this movie does leave an impact when you're reading about a certain set of characters for 301 pages. They definitely leave an impact, but my only grouse against the book is that the story is all about a murder mystery, but we are not told too much about the person who's been murdered. So as an audience you don't have too much of sympathy, or basically you're like, okay, yeah, just get done with it kinds. So this is a very honest review because this is what I feel about the book. But yeah, One Perfect Murder is is a brave attempt. So on that basis alone it's worth reading. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.